me, and it went to 2 others, so
Uh-huh.
I just let them go. And I shouldn't have, but maybe I shouldn't, but I thought, well, I should have let them go.
Yeah. Hey, how many kids do you have?
I mean, what
Kids do you have?
kids do I have?
Yeah, how many do you have?
Well, let's talk about them.
Okay, let's talk about them. Okay.
Okay, we had our oldest kid,
Uh-huh.
our next to the oldest kid,
Okay, that's 2 kids.
and we had, let's see, every time we turned around, we had kids over there fussing at us because we didn't have enough pounds.
Yeah.
They wanted more pounds.
What's the name of your first kid?
Our name of our first kid,
Uh-huh.
I guess that was the reign of Randy.
Randy, he was your first
I
kid.
think so.
I think you're right.
I know I'm right.
You know, that's because you're the mommy. You're always right.
Yeah.
All right. Who's your next kid?
Who's my next kid?
Yeah.
Well, let me think. I afraid Randy would be the one that would take us to. Where did he take us? He took us to that place.
Uh-huh.
Well, anyway, we'd done started with his, and we'd done put him on the road.
What about, do you have a kid named Newton?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you got a kid named Newton?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Okay. What about, do you have a kid named, Gary?
Oh, yeah, we got Gary.
You got Gary? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Do you have, hi. Do you have a kid named, Ellis?
Oh, yeah, we got Ellis.
You got Ellis? Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any girls?
Uh-huh.
You do? How many girls do you have?
I don't know. I'd have to go count them, but I don't have any right now.
Oh. Do you have one girl?
Yeah.
I thought maybe you had 2 girls.
We might
Or 3 girls.
We might have.
I think you have 3 girls.
We might have.
Do you remember anybody's name? What about, Sharon? Do you have a Sharon?
Uh-huh.
You do?
Yeah, we do.
Okay. Do you have a,
And then we have what?
you have 2 more girls. What's their names?
The girls, they were the ones that were living with that girl that my nose is getting sniffy, and then the nose is getting.
The nose is getting sniffy. Okay. Do you have a girl named Patty?
Oh yes, we definitely have a girl named Patty.
You do. There's one more. What's the name of the other girl?
The other girl.
Yeah, you got a Sharon and a Patty. Who's the other girl you have?
I don't know because we never kept them in.
What is her name? Crystal?
Uh-huh.
Crystal?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so you have 3 girls.
Uh-huh.
Crystal,
Uh-huh.
Patty,
Uh-huh.
and Sharon.
Uh-huh.
Oh. Did you have any other girls?
We had things that they bought with the kids. And,
Oh, okay.
And with the other stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Because some of the other girls that were, when it was their turn to go to the people, she told them, Sharon, I remember Sharon telling her that they had to tell her she'd better not take them off. You better leave them alone so we can get them off of that thing down there.
Okay.
So that's what she told them.
Well, what did Crystal say?
Crystal didn't say anything.
What about Patty? Did she say anything?
I don't think so. I don't remember her saying. The only thing I remember about Sharon that says that
Lord.
is the fact that she is down wherever y'all are at.
Really?
And she said that and she's where y'all are at, and she's going to get them kids to get that off their
Oh,
house.
really? Oh, wow. Well,
yeah.
What about? I think I lost my train of thought when I coughed.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. So, you got Patty and Crystal and Sharon. Were they all good little girls?
Well, they're not bad little girls.
that's good to know. So they were kind of good? Oh, that's good. Oh, good. I'm not going anywhere with that one. You got a funny look on your face.
I got a funny look.
Yeah.
So you're not going on what now?
Oh, I don't know. Do you know who you are?
Yeah, I do.
Who are you?
I'm Billy Ann Gillespie.
You are. That's right. Do you know who I am?
Yes, I do.
Who am I?
Well, you're Sharon.
Oh my gosh, I am. I am.
You are. And we got that wrote down so that whenever we started this, he said, well, you tell Sharon exactly what they said, and if this is not the right thing, you better tell me real quick, because I ain't going to put up with no things that aren't bad.
Oh, wow. What did Patty say?
She didn't say much. She just said, well, I just didn't want to go to all that stuff.
Well, what did Crystal say?
She just said, well, I need to get out there and get out that other one. I don't want this one.
Oh, my.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's what she said. You asked for it.
Okay.
So I told her about it and told her what she asked for. And so Sharon just said, well.
Man, she's bossy.
Oh, yeah. She's just telling you exactly what you needed to know.
Oh, okay.
I guess that's what I meant.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if I meant that or if that's just what happened there. But we just did it, and she just didn't like it.
Oh, okay.
I don't think she
Did Crystal like it?
She didn't say a word about it.
She didn't? What about Patty? Did she like it?
Yes, she liked it, but she didn't like it.
Was it a pretty shade of pink? Is that why she liked it?
I guess, because she loves pink.
She does? Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
What color does Crystal like?
Crystal she was always been in for that fast path for real.
Oh, really?
But we didn't try it.
Did she like purple?
Uh-huh.
She did?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
She just likes to do stuff like that, and she's never thought about it.
Yeah. What color does Sharon like?
Sharon?
Yeah.
Well, this might be strange.
That's okay. You can tell me.
This might be strange because she's the one that wants to wear all them dark clothes.
Dark clothes?
Uh-huh. And she wants to stay at her house there.
Really?
Uh-huh.
What else?
Well, just about all the stuff we got is in the closet.
Oh, wow.
So she was expecting Sharon to put her up some of the other stuff.
Oh, is Sharon in the closet?
No.
Oh, good.
She could be.
She could be? Okay.
Uh-huh.
All right.
So I don't know exactly who's mad at her or who's not mad at her.
Oh, my goodness.
So I just put it up there. But I never did get it off.
Okay.
And she just kept on talking. I said, okay, it's all right with me.
Okay.
And she just kept on talking.
All right.
So I just said, well, we're going to have to get everybody put in church.
Okay.
And she said, okay, I know that. And
all right.
she was just talking.
Wow.
And she didn't try to do anything. So we got that much.
Okay.
And if we go to the church, we're going to have to have it with enough to have enough for a person.